Kia ora koutou katoa. Matariki marks the Māori New Year, when the Matariki star cluster reappears in the dawn sky. The stars signal the time to harvest, renew crops and establish goals. If the stars were clear and bright, it was expected that a bountiful season was ahead. The heart of Matariki lies with our whānau, hapu and iwi. We join together to reflect, renew and reconnect. It's a time we unite to feast, pay tribute to our ancestors and sow the seeds together for a prosperous future. In the spirit of Matariki, my office is coming together to learn about the tikanga around the different phases of the stars, learn the history of the occasion, and to share kai and kōrero. I'm honoured to be part of something so special to Aotearoa, New Zealand, and move forward together to bright seasons ahead of us. Mānawatia a Matariki, ka kite anō.